Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are installing a navigation system from Acer on a Volkswagen Amarok built in 2010. The car already came with an aftermarket navigation system, and if you will order this device, in the box you will get the navigation screen itself, which looks like this, and we are going to talk about the specs in a moment. On the back we have all the connections, a GPS antenna, a 4G antenna, everything you need, the radio antenna. We have the audio cables, the video cables, the 4G support. Yeah, we have 4G support. Also, the guys from Acer sended two connections, two power connections, one with a CAN bus that will be used for a model that has steering wheel controls, and one without the CAN bus, which does if your car doesn't have the steering wheel controls. In our case, we have a steering wheel that has controls but was installed later, and we are not going to use the CAN bus cable. Instead, we are going to use this one. Besides that, we have the microphone, some USB ports, the GPS antenna, and last but not least we have the wireless antenna. Also in the package we have a warranty card, we have some instructions manuals, so everything you need is here for an easy installation. Let's install everything and see all its functions. So these wires are connected, the USB ports are here, these are the wires for the USB ports, these are the wires for the power, and all we have to connect now is the wireless antenna and the 4G antenna. So the installation is complete. This is how the navigation looks like. It has a nice 9-inch screen, full HD. It comes with pre-installed apps like Google Play Store, YouTube, and I'm going to download the Netflix app. And just to show you that you can watch movies while driving, or at least the passenger can watch movies while driving in this with this navigation. Let's quickly install it. Right now we are using the 4G data, the 4G support. We have an installed 4G SIM card. It has an internet connection. We managed to take it out on the glove compartment, which is very nice. We've just connected an USB drive which has some media files on it. Let's see how the music plays on this system, and we have the music player right here. These are all the songs. The installation is complete. As you saw, we installed the Netflix. The Netflix app works even if the car is moving. Of course, the passengers will use it, not the driver. We also have YouTube, Waze, HBO Go, or any other app from the Google Play Store. And what's most important, we have wireless Android and wireless CarPlay. And with this function, we can use apps like Maps, Apple Maps, Google Maps, Spotify, Telegram, Waze, WhatsApp, and so on. This is the WhatsApp. Let's use a one last address. And overall, this is a very useful upgrade to an existing aftermarket infotainment system, or even for the original one that comes with the 2010 Volkswagen Amarok. This is the old navigation. It had less storage, less RAM. It didn't have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Therefore, the owner wanted a much useful upgrade. As a rule, after the installation is complete, if the navigation screen comes with a CAN bus decoder, first thing you have to do is go to Settings, Factory. You have the code 3368, and there you have the car model. According to your car model and on the installation instructions, you will find the suitable or the proper setting for the CAN bus. This way, all the steering wheel controls, all the air conditioning informations will work. So this is very important in order to have all the functions and features working on your navigation screen. So if you have other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. You can buy the product using the link in the video description. And if your car is different than our, you should know that you have many models on their website or in the link, and most likely you will find one for your vehicle. Thank you for your time, and until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.